What's up, guys? It has been a very long time since I have made a YouTube video. It's been over a year now at this point. But we have been very busy down at our shop in Red Hook, and we're working on something that we're very excited about. And I wanted to make a video to share it with all my YouTube subscribers ahead of our Kickstarter launch on October 15th. So we have developed a line of sustainable flat pack furniture that clicks together in literally seconds. The legs and the underside of the furniture are made from 100% post-consumer recycled milk jugs, and the tops are made from FSC certified plywood. So what you're watching me do here is assemble our home office desk and shelf, and that took me about 60 seconds to do. And the great thing about this furniture line is it can be disassembled just as easily and stored under your couch or in your closet when you don't need it. We've designed a whole line of furniture, including a side table, a bench, a home office desk, and even a dining table. And I just wanted to share with the YouTube crew who's been around from the start a little bit about the design process and the prototyping that we've been doing, and just a little bit of behind the scenes in the run-up to our Kickstarter. So this is the original joint and the original sleeve, I guess we call it. So we were using the flexibility of plywood to allow this to click in and create that locking mechanism. And it works very well, and it's very sturdy. But as we developed the joint and the legs a little bit more, obviously you want a more finished product. So we sanded and lacquered them.
Yeah, we also didn't really like the solvent-based lacquers. So what we tried to do was find an eco-friendly alternative to something with the same finish quality.
So I guess through conversations in the studio, we came upon HDPE, which is 100% recycled plastic milk jugs. So the stuff that we use, this raw material here, is 100% post-consumer recycled, and we're able to cut that right on the CNC, and it comes off the machine 100% finished. So
another benefit to using HDPE is that the material itself is very durable, very easy to clean. So the lack of friction allows the joint to easily click in, and you get that nice popping sound.
I think that was like one of the coincidental advantages that we weren't really expecting over plywood, because when these guys slide in together, it's just really it's a really user-friendly experience. So we can take this sheet, this particular one is a 1/2 inch white sheet, we can put it straight on the CNC, and we're able to end up with these finished products, legs, straight from the machine. So once we knew that we could do that, it was definitely the material that we were going to choose for this product, or for this line. That's it, guys. I hope this video has brought everyone up to date on what we've been doing the past few months, and I hope it's gotten you excited about this new furniture line that we're developing and launching on Kickstarter this October the 15th. I've put a link in the description below to our Kickstarter campaign and to our website, so if you like the look of the furniture and you want to support it, please click that link, and you can pledge on the first day or two. That would really help the campaign. And I hope to be making more YouTube videos in the future. Thanks for watching.